Hello everyone. Today in this video I will discuss the reversible and irreversible changes. First is reversible. A change which can be undone or reversed is called a reversible change. Reversible changes कौन सी हैं? जो कि टेम्पररी हैं, जिससे कि हम दोबारा से कोई ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो दोबारा उसी स्टेट में ला सकते हैं, चेंज कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द रिवर्सिबल चेंज. For example, folding of a paper, then dissolving, freezing, boiling, melting. Freezing में क्या है कि जब हम जो वाटर है, अगर वाटर को हम फ्रीज़ करते हैं तो वो क्या बन जाता है? आइस. फिर से अगर हम आइस को मेल्ट करेंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? वाटर. तो दैट मीन्स फ्रीजिंग, मेल्टिंग आर द रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस. नेक्स्ट इज irreversible change. A change which cannot be undone or reversed is called an irreversible change. वो चेंजेस जो परमानेंट होती हैं, जो रिवर्स नहीं की जा सकती, उनको हम बोलते हैं irreversible change. For example, rusting of iron, then burning of any substance, cooking of food, ripening of a fruit, then a cement mixing with water. So these are the irreversible changes. ये क्या है? परमानेंट चेंजेस हैं. Now we see the irreversible change with the help of an activity. The activity is to show that burning of matchstick is an irreversible change. For this we require a matchstick and a matchbox. What we have to do, just light a matchstick with the matchbox. Now observe what happened. Flame is produced, smoke is produced also, and smell is also produced. And see, the size of the matchstick becomes small. What do you conclude from this? We conclude that new substances are formed on burning a matchstick, and we cannot get back into its original form. Thus, burning of a matchstick is an irreversible change. So, from this we also conclude that कि कोई भी सब्सटेंस जिसको हम बर्न कर देते हैं उसको दोबारा हम उसी फॉर्म में नहीं ले सकते. तो दैट मीन्स बर्निंग क्या है? एक irreversible change है. Now we see the reversible changes. For this, I will discuss the change of states in water. Students, you know that water exists in all three states, that is solid, liquid and gas, under the different conditions of temperature and pressure. Means कि जो water है उसकी हम physical states जो है वो simply change कर सकते हैं by heating और cooling. तो जब हम heat करते हैं तब क्या करते हैं? temperature rise होता है. तो that means कि heating से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? water को change कर सकते हैं gaseous state में. And जब उसको हम कूल करते हैं तो जो वाटर है वो कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा आइस में. तो दैट मीन्स बाय डूइंग हीटिंग और कूलिंग वी कैन चेंज द स्टेट ऑफ द वाटर. दिस वी अगेन सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एक्टिविटी, दैट इज टू चेंज द states of ice and water. For this, we require a beaker, a wire gauze, tripod stand, ice, Bunsen burner and a thermometer. First of all, take a beaker, then put ice cubes into the beaker. Now note the temperature of the ice with the help of thermometer. You will notice that the temperature of the ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Now place the beaker on a wire gauge at tripod stand. Then start heating. You will notice that the ice start melting but the temperature remains constant at 0 degree Celsius. जो आइस है वो मेल्ट करना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, लेकिन जो टेम्परेचर है वो अभी भी थर्मामीटर पे रीडिंग कितनी आएगी? 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस ही आएगी, जब तक कि जो पूरी आइस है वो मेल्ट नहीं हो जाती. Then when we further heat the ice will melt and it converted into the water. When the ice melts, and it converts into the water, then notice the change in reading of the thermometer. The temperature will rises to the 100 degrees Celsius now. When the temperature rises to 100 degrees Celsius, the water starts boiling and the water vapors formed, that is steam is formed. Now again note the reading of the temperature till the whole water evaporates. जब तक कि पूरा का पूरा जो वाटर है वो इवेपोरेट नहीं हो जाता, जो थर्मोमीटर की रीडिंग है वो कितनी रहेगी, 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस ही रहेगी. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कंक्लूड दैट जो आइस है उसको हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं वाटर में. तो ये क्या हो गया, चेंज ऑफ स्टेट ऑफ वाटर. सिमिलरली जो वाटर है वो चेंज हो जाएगा स्टीम में जब उसको हम फर्दर हीट करेंगे. दैट मीन्स वी कैन चेंज द स्टेट of water easily by heating or by cooling. Next is change of state. What is change of state? Change of state means it is a process of changing of a substance from one physical state to another physical state by changing its temperature. Means when a substance is changed from one physical state to another physical state by increasing or decreasing the temperature. For example, we have a water and water is in liquid state. When we heat the water changes into the water vapors and water vapors are in gaseous state. So from this we see that the liquid is changes into the gaseous state. Then we say that the state of the water is changed. The next is sublimation and deposition. Sublimation means the process of changing of solid directly into a gas is called sublimation. In sublimation, the substance is directly changes from solid to gas and skip the liquid state. For example, naphthalene and ammonium chloride. Now, deposition is the opposite of sublimation. Deposition means the process of changing of a gas directly into a solid is called deposition. For example, dry ice. In dry ice, the carbon dioxide gas is directly changes into the dry ice, that is into solid state. Now we see the sublimation and deposition of ammonium chloride. For this we need the apparatus, that is burner, tripod stand, wire gauge, china dish, a glass funnel, cotton plug and ammonium chloride. First of all, take ammonium chloride and convert it into the powder form. Then put it in a china dish. Then put the china dish on the wire gauge placed on a tripod stand and put an inverted funnel over the china dish. Now close the one end of the funnel with the help of cotton plug. Now put the burner on so that the arrangement is heated slowly and note down the observations. You will observe that when we heat the ammonium chloride, the vapors of ammonium chloride are in and above the china dish. Here are the vapors of ammonium chloride. And when the vapors move upward, they start deposited on the wall of the funnel because the temperature of the wall of the funnel is different. So from this we conclude that when we heat the ammonium chloride, the solid ammonium chloride is directly changes into the vapors and then vapors move upwards, they collected or deposited on the wall and they solidifies. And means the two processes occur. One is sublimation and the सेकेंड इज डेपोजिशन। सब्लिमेशन कब है कि जब अमोनियम क्लोराइड को जब हम हीट करते हैं तो जब उसके डायरेक्टली वेपर्स बनते हैं, ठीक है, तो वो क्या है सब्लिमेशन। जब वो वेपर्स ऊपर जाते हैं और वो कूल डाउन हो जाते हैं, जब वो टच करते हैं सरफेस को फनल की, देन द प्रोसेस इज डेपोजिशन। सो विद दिस आवर सेकेंड चैप्टर physical and chemical changes is finished. Now try to solve the checkpoint 2 and the back exercise of your chapter. Thank you very much.